Hi, it's Melissa here and welcome. I'm so glad you're joining me today because do I ever have a Christmas DIY for you? So I'm not sure if you have seen basically everywhere those vintage antique brass looking Christmas bells, holiday bells. The season is all about bells this year and I am right on that bandwagon. So come and join me as I show you how to create those vintage antique looking holiday bells for only a few dollars. So let's check it out. So you can grab bells like this at dollar stores, you can get them at thrift stores from old Decor, or maybe you have some just laying around. Now these are beautiful gold looking plastic, and so we're going to change that. First things first, I removed the top. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't just put this on a tripod, but hey, trying to make things go quickly here. And I used black matte paint, and the key is to use matte paint. And now not only does this work as a kind of background base, but it also works as a primer so that these colors like the Venetian gold, champagne gold, and glorious gold will all work. And really I just tried to look at things that look brass color and things that look more of a brown, gold, you name it. So I used a wet paper towel and I started with kind of what I thought was the lightest color. And it's okay to see the black, to not make it look nice and completely covered. It's actually better to see the black. And slowly I added the colors and I went around, and don't be afraid if it looks messy because you can really just blot it or blend it in. And then you can actually go ahead and allow it to dry and take a look, sit back, and then add extra layers. I really loved that like glorious gold, I believe is what it was, that really kind of brass color. And so after it was dry, I went in and added more. And look at the texture. And can you believe that that is the same product, that is really that plastic fake gold looking bell underneath that, because it actually looks dented and texturized. And so now this is where you can really let your creativity go. So I wanted to add velvet ribbon, and I didn't have anything that didn't have a wire in it. So I just cut the wire out and just kind of pushed that in until I had it to where I liked it. Put a knot in. I didn't want it to be too extreme. Now you can use any color, any fabric. You could even use leather, whatever you want. But for me, the navy and the velvet really added to my decor and added to my color scheme that I'm using for this Christmas. So it really looks nice just sitting as part of a vignette, or you can take it a next step like I did, and I added jute rope and I used that to create like a cluster, and now I can hang it on a door, or you could hang it on windows, you can hang it off of garland. Sky's the limit, but it really does create that high-end look for merely a few dollars. So I hope you love this. I hope you want to try it in your own home. And I hope you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more. Thanks, everyone.